guys, welcome back to the channel, Socially Bearded, and happy Sunday. And oh my, do I have ooh, I've got something nice today. Not nice for you because you can't smell it, but I can. Very nice for me. Brand new everything, brand new scent, brand new category of scent, brand new company, brand new base. Like, this is all 1000% new. This is Fougere Nemeta. I think you're supposed to hold that like that, by Southern Witchcrafts. And when I think of witchcraft, I think of kind of gothic, so I wore my black glasses, a black shirt. I've even got black shorts on, black razor, black brush. I don't own a black bowl, or I don't own a black bowl anymore, so we're kind of SOL there. But I figured, hey, let's go with the witchcraft theme, which for me is kind of gothic, I guess. So I'm just going to show that one more time. Check out that label. So that's it sitting straight up and down. Comes in at an angle there. This is my first time with a Fougere scent, and let me tell you what, ooh, I like it. Many of you know I'm just getting over having COVID. So my smell is just now coming back. Oh, man, but I can smell that. Oh, it's so good. I can't wait to get it lathered up, get it on the head, and just kind of see what happens. So let's jump right in. This soap is like an ultra whipped beard butter. The consistency of it in the container. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know if this is a vegan soap or a tallow soap. I watched my buddy DK's video that he did on this particular soap, and with his reaction to it, I just went and ordered it. I didn't pay no attention to whether it was vegan, tallow, nothing. I just went and picked it up. I put a pretty good chunk in there, but like I said, it was really whipped. So, I don't know. Really don't know on that. It could be a really thirsty soap. It could not be. I might not have used enough. So. Matter of fact, we'll call that good and add some water to the hair. Pro tip, remove the glasses. That water is awfully cold, but it's kind of hot in here, so. Oh, hey, whenever I picked this soap up, I also picked up some new blades from the razor company. That's where I got the soap from. That's what we're using today. It's going to be the Gillette Ruby. Never heard of it. I don't even know if it's a stainless. I don't know if it's a stainless, if it's a plant. I don't know what it is. I also picked up Sputniks, Super Blues. Really excited to try them also. And then I picked up the stainless steel menorahs and something called London Bridge. These are all Gillette. My guess would be they're all probably pretty close to the same blade. They're just made in different regions. Except for maybe those rubies. Those rubies seem to look a little bit different. They were a really nice looking blade. Like it's got ruby engraved into the blade. Gillette up there is really nice looking, actually. So that's why I chose to try that one out first. Just a tiny bit of pre-shave there, and we will get into it. This will be the last video shot before I leave out for, I guess you could call it truck driving school, CDL class. I'm going to take about a, ooh man, Golly. Oh, that feels nice going on the head. Ooh, I like. Shavegasm? Is that a word? Ooh, that feels really nice going on the head. Man. Oh, and it smells so good. Golly. I think Fougere means green. I think. I could be wrong about that, guys. DK or somebody, one of you shave guys that know a lot more than me, if you watch this, let me know in the comments what Fougere exactly means. I think it means green, but I could be wrong. Oh man, that feels really nice going onto the head though. Clean up just a little bit there. A little bit back here on the back. If I don't wipe this part off right here, I will shave that and I have no hair there, like at all. So it's best for me to wipe it off. Anyway, I will be leaving today. Just a few hours actually. I will be leaving. Which this video, I'll probably be done or close to done with school by the time this video drops, but today is the day that I will be leaving out. I'll be staying in a hotel room, which is part of the cost of your school. You know, you pay that cost no matter if you stay in the motel or not. Ooh, I like. Yeah. Nice, very nice. Let's see what it's like over here. So yeah, I'll be staying in a motel room Monday through Thursday night. I'll be coming home Friday. I got that white soap all over my black shirt. And I will, and then I'll be leaving out again every Sunday. Man, I like that blade too. That Gillette Ruby is just gliding. Ooh, I like that. Very nice. Very nice. And then that will be, the class is 4 weeks, unless you need longer. And they will accommodate you for a couple of extra weeks if need be. If you don't pass it by then, they generally give up on you. Well, I don't know about give up on you, but I think they send you home. Man, I really like them blades. I really like this soap. Ooh, this is gonna be a good shave. I could gash myself open, knock on wood, and I would still call this a good shave. This has already been able to be classified as a good shave, so no matter what happens, we got a good shave today. Ooh, it's so nice. It smells so good. It's hard to describe that scent. Really hard to describe that scent. Like, it's definitely got the green to it, but I almost pick up. Let's go back for it again. Actually, you know what? Let's smell what we got here in the bowl. I pick up a spice, almost like a, oh, I don't know, almost maybe like a cypress. But I could be very wrong about that. Maybe even some black pepper type notes to it. A creaminess about it. Maybe a vanilla or a tonka. Guys, I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go, if I can find the scent of this, I'll throw it up on the screen somewhere. Or I'll put it in the description. And we will see kind of how close I am. The green, the Fougere part, I don't know what that is, so I'm not even going to try to make a guess at that. I am not at all experienced on Fougere scents, so I'm not even going to attempt. But I can tell you one thing that will be happening. I will be experienced on Fougere scents in the next few months, because I really, really like this. I hope this isn't one of them ones like where you find this one particular amazing scent and then all the other ones kind of suck compared to this one. You know what I mean? I hope that doesn't happen here. I don't expect it to. I don't know, guys. I could have another Fougere scent. I don't know exactly what constitutes a Fougere scent other than the name of this one. I don't think. I've had some scents that have like some earthy stuff in it, you know, pine and stuff like that, but I don't know. Wait, you know what? I might be wrong on that. It seems like somebody has explained Fougere before. Fern. I think Fougere might mean fern. I don't know. Somebody in the comments, if you know, please correct me. And if any beard companies are watching this, feel free to make a scent that is a Fougere scent. Please, because I really like it. And I know a lot of other guys that would really like it as well. Like a lot of other guys that would really like that in a beard scent. I know a bunch of guys that would like if you could imitate this. Oh, I wish Southern Witchcrafts made a beard oil. Maybe they do. I'll have to get on and look. Oh, but it's so nice. And the fact that I can just smell it, you know, I've been without my sniffer for I don't know how long. A little bit around the cowlick there. Man, what a great shave. Golly. We're gonna take the safety razor, one of the safety razors, and man, what a great shave, guys. Great shave. I knew it was gonna be. Man, that exceeded any and all expectations for sure. The scent is definitely the star of the show. Man, my scalp and my skin just feels great. I mean, disregard my stupid forehead. It stays broke out, especially in the summer months. I mean, like heat rash mixed with eczema. I don't know what it is. Some kind of super disease, we'll call it. But man, I don't even need a splash. Don't need it. My skin is just incredibly soft. Let's go for a little witch hazel. I don't even want much of that. I don't want to kill that scent. Golly, that's a good scent. So, hey, if you're one of the shaver guys out there, if you know who owns Southern Witchcrafts, hey, send them this video. I'd love for them to see it. A huge shout out to you guys. You did amazing. It's an amazing base. I love that base. Oh, my skin feels just great. I mean, there's not even no heat there. I probably could have put some really hot aftershave on and been totally fine. The scent, though, is the absolute star of the show. Oh, guys, I cannot get enough of that. If you are a head shaver, face shaver, wet shaver, and you know what a Fougere scent is, drop it below and pick that one up. Oh, it is so amazing. But guys, I guess I could sit here and say I had an amazing shave 15 more times, but I will not do that. We will go ahead and end the video right here. So I appreciate everybody for joining, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and remember to follow me across all social medias.